In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect headphones to Fortnite, PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you general instructions on how to connect any set of headphones that you have to a PlayStation 5 to play Fortnite or any other game. These general instructions will apply as well to the PlayStation 4, and like I mentioned, you will be able to play Fortnite or any other game. Now for this video, I cannot give you specific instructions for every single model of headset out there. So I've chosen a lot of examples, so you will most likely be covered. But if these instructions still leave you confused, I highly recommend looking for instructions on your specific model of headset or headphones. So the first option is going to be through the USB ports. So your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 will have plenty of USB ports. All that you have to do is connect either a wireless receiver, if you are using a wireless set of headphones, to any of these ports, and when you power on the headset, it should automatically connect itself to the receiver. Or alternatively, if you have a wired set of headphones or headset, then you just plug one end of the cable here, and then the other one should plug into the headphones. As long as the connection is properly established between the USB port on the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 and the headphones, you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on the headphones. Now, another very common type of connection is going to be through the headphone jack or the 3.5mm audio port. All that you have to do here is look underneath your controller by default and then plug the cable into this port here. The cable should then go directly into the headphone. So in this example here, this model from Logitech. And as long as the connection was established between the port underneath your controller and the headphones, you are good to go. Once again, all of the audio being output on the PlayStation 5 will go over to the headphones as long as the connection remains established. And you can either do this wirelessly if you have a receiver or through a wired connection in most cases. So see which model of headset or headphones you have and establish the connection accordingly. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect headphones to Fortnite Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.